Hi, I'm Shalay Wagner Hunt. I'm the counselor at Phelps High School in Phelps, Kentucky. We just had the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly, which was amazing. It was high energy, got all the kids motivated and impacted, and they loved it. My favorite part of the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was the ending where everybody joined in, linked together, and showed their strength and togetherness. I would definitely encourage the Beautiful Tomorrow. Promote it with other schools, which I'm actually in process of doing right now, because it's great. It's motivational for the kids. The kids get involved, and it's not your typical assembly where they just sit and listen. They're involved.
You will have